Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome. Today, we are unveiling a step-by-step framework designed to revolutionize schedule adherence in your call center. We'll explore how strategic workforce planning, process optimization, real-time monitoring, and AI-driven automation work together to boost agent productivity, reduce SLA breaches, and deliver measurable results. From smarter scheduling and proactive interventions to AI-powered forecasting and automated alerts, this framework equips leaders to transform adherence from a challenge into a competitive advantage. Let's get started on building a future-ready, high-performing call center. Let's begin with strengthening workforce planning and forecasting, the foundation for improved schedule adherence. First, focus on accurate volume forecasting. Analyze historical call patterns, account for seasonality, and align with marketing campaign schedules. This ensures demand predictions are not just estimates, but data-driven projections. Next, leverage optimized shift planning. Align agent schedules precisely with peak call and chat volumes while staying anchored to your service level goals. This reduces idle time during off-peak hours and prevents overload during busy periods. Finally, embrace flexible scheduling options such as split shifts, shift swaps, and part-time roles. These options empower agents, improve work-life balance, and drive better compliance. The result? Fewer staffing gaps, higher adherence rates, and significantly reduced SLA risks, all powered by smarter planning and forecasting. Next, let's talk about improving agent engagement and accountability, the human side of adherence. Start by establishing clear adherence policies. Define expectations for login times, break durations, and adherence calculations with complete transparency. When agents clearly understand the rules, compliance becomes much easier. Then, enable performance dashboards through your workforce management tools. Give agents real-time visibility into their own adherence scores so they can self-monitor and make proactive adjustments without waiting for supervisor intervention. Finally, introduce recognition and incentives. Whether it's public appreciation, performance badges, or monetary bonuses, rewarding top performers fosters motivation and creates a healthy culture of accountability. The impact? Greater agent ownership, fewer late logins, and reduced break violations, leading to a more disciplined and engaged workforce. Now, let's focus on real-time monitoring and intraday management, the control center for adherence excellence. Begin with live adherence dashboards. Supervisors get instant visibility into attendance gaps, late logins, and break violations, allowing them to take corrective action in real time instead of waiting for end-of-day reports. Next, deploy automated alerts for upcoming breaks, delayed logins, or policy breaches. These real-time notifications act as proactive reminders, helping agents stay on track and supervisors stay informed. Finally, embrace intraday schedule adjustments. By moving breaks or reassigning shifts dynamically in response to sudden spikes in call volumes, you prevent workloads from snowballing into service-level threats. The impact is powerful. Small adherence gaps are detected and corrected before they turn into SLA breaches, keeping operations smooth and customer experience uncompromised. Finally, let's explore the power of AI and automation in transforming schedule adherence. Start with AI forecasting models that predict absenteeism, peak call volumes, and staffing needs with unmatched accuracy. This allows managers to prepare ahead and eliminate guesswork from planning. Next, adopt AI-powered scheduling tools that auto-generate optimal agent schedules. These tools factor in employee preferences, labor laws, and SLA commitments to create balanced, compliance-ready schedules in minutes. And with virtual assistants for agents, reminders for upcoming breaks, shift changes, or login requirements are delivered instantly, reducing dependency on manual follow-ups. The outcome? Automated, error-free schedules, fewer human planning mistakes, and significantly higher adherence levels, all driven by intelligent automation. Next, let's look at process optimization and policy controls, ensuring adherence processes are as seamless as possible. Start with streamlined break scheduling. By staggering agent breaks, you prevent large sections of the team from going offline at the same time, especially during peak call periods. Next, implement pre-shift readiness checks. Make sure systems, tools, and logins are operational before agents begin their shifts, eliminating delays caused by technical glitches or last-minute troubleshooting. Finally, limit unplanned meetings and training sessions during peak demand hours. By scheduling these activities during off-peak times, you minimize disruption and keep adherence levels intact. The result? Minimal interruptions, consistent staffing availability, and stronger service level performance even during high-demand periods. Finally, let's focus on training and communication, the key to building long-term adherence discipline. Start with new hire orientation. Right from day one, include schedule adherence best practices in onboarding programs so new agents clearly understand expectations. Follow this with regular coaching sessions. Use adherence reports to provide personalized, constructive feedback, helping agents improve performance without feeling penalized. And ensure transparent communication. Share adherence goals, actual performance metrics, and the impact on service levels openly with the entire team so everyone understands the bigger picture. The impact is clear, well-informed and well-trained agents make fewer mistakes, leading to stronger adherence and smoother operations overall. Lastly, let's talk about aligning KPIs and incentives, creating the right balance between adherence and quality. Start by balancing metrics. Instead of focusing solely on schedule adherence, combine it with key quality indicators like average handle time, customer satisfaction, and first call resolution. This holistic scorecard ensures agents stay on schedule without compromising service quality. Next, introduce gamification elements such as leaderboards, badges, and rewards. A little healthy competition goes a long way in boosting agent motivation and engagement. The impact? Agents remain punctual while still delivering exceptional customer experiences, achieving both adherence and quality excellence together. Finally, let's address remote and hybrid work controls, ensuring schedule adherence remains strong no matter where agents are working from. Start with workforce monitoring tools. These enable supervisors to track login times, idle status, and break adherence in real time, even for remote and hybrid agents. Next, implement backup connectivity plans. By providing VPN access or internet allowances, you minimize the risk of tech-related delays that can disrupt adherence. The result? Consistent schedule adherence across both in-office and remote setups, delivering reliability and performance regardless of location. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.